Here are 25 YouTube channels that will help you grow your Twitch stream. It's kind of weird that I'm doing this because I'm sending away people to watch other people's videos and that way they're not watching my videos. But I kind of don't want to gatekeep information. My motto is stream smarter, not harder. And I want you to have all the information that's out there. That's why I want to share with you 25 channels that make streamers support videos. Things that will help you grow your stream. Channel number 1 is obviously Trui. Yeah, I make streamer support videos, as you know. I'm not gonna stay too long at my channel because you guys know me. Number 2 is Gil Level. And as you can see, me and Gil did some collaborations in the past as well. So feel free to check those out. I don't want to explain every YouTuber in detail because I want to keep these videos short and sweet. And I just kind of want you to figure out what you want in a YouTuber. But Gil's been focusing on OBS and StreamerBot and a little bit on tip videos lately. Then we have Andy Leapy. Andy Leapy mostly does StreamerBot and OBS videos. He's also the owner of StreamUp, so you will definitely see some StreamUp videos from him too. Then we have Stream Scheme. They're focusing on general tip videos. Then we have Tink Media. And Tink Media focuses a little bit more on YouTube. But because they focus on YouTube, they also focus on Twitch. Because if things do good on YouTube, they would look good on Twitch as well. If you have a good camera for YouTube, well, you have a good camera for Twitch as well. For example, they're looking at the DJI Pocket 3 right here, which you can use as a webcam for your Twitch stream if you would want to. I haven't done that myself yet, but I do have that camera, so I could. Then we have Zach Bushy. And Zach Bushy is focusing more on news videos. So he will present you with the latest news and things that you need to watch out for when you are on Twitch. Then we have Nutty. And Nutty focuses on more extreme tutorials. So what do I mean with extreme? They're usually a little bit more complicated. Although he also has a definite beginner guide for StreamerBot right here. So he also has some beginner videos. Then we have Colin Horn. He focuses a lot on tech videos, so you will see a lot of tech videos coming from him. Think about microphones, cameras, and stuff like that. Then we have Loco. So he focuses mostly on Twitch news, so he talks about things that come out, why this could be good or bad for Twitch, and you as a streamer. But he also has some tip videos, like for example, if you want more sponsorships, you could watch this video. Then we have Senpai Gaming, I think one of the most well-known ones, Harris Heller. He's been focusing on tech lately, so he's been talking a lot about the newest tech in the industry. Then we have Justin Moore. He doesn't focus on streaming per se, but he does focus on getting sponsorships. You might want some sponsorships because you want to keep growing. You want to be able to afford new upgrades. Or maybe you want to get those upgrades sponsored. And Justin Moore can help you with that. Then we have Michael Freyer Jr. We got a mix of OBS tutorials with general live streaming tips. Chat, previously known as Catlianti. She used to make streamer support videos, now she kind of makes videos about art and AI art. I think it still can be very valuable to know when something is AI art when you're trying to order some art for your stream. She does have some videos that go about stolen art and where you can get art and how you can make your own art for your stream. So that is definitely still very valuable. Then we have Exceldro. He is the god of OBS plugins. I'm not exaggerating here, okay? So he's got videos about the OBS plugins. Then we have Earth2Theme. Mostly focuses on StreamerBot right here. Next up is the Stream Sensei. We got a mix of OBS, Stream Elements tutorials, TikTok tutorials. We got moderation tutorials, OBS, Streamlabs tutorials, a mix of all kinds of tutorials basically. Then we have Hey Shady Lady. She's got a couple of streamer tip videos. Not her whole channel, but there's a couple on here, for example, OBS for beginners and auctions when you're streaming again. There's a couple in here that are helpful for new streamers. Then we have Wealth for Games. He's the first one I've seen talk about Kick as well. So if you're a Kick streamer, he's the first one actually talking about that. I've seen talks about vertical content, but also still talks about the Twitch content as well. Then we have Apex Fox. Talks about streamer equipment, very in-depth reviews about some tech. Then we have Sam Woodhull. Sam Woodhull makes videos about editing. He gives a lot of tips about how you should edit and, well, general tips about editing. But Trui, I'm live streaming. Yeah, but you want to diversify, so you want to edit your content so you can put it on other different platforms, okay? Devin Nash, he makes some, I would say controversial sometimes, videos about news, things that happen in the industry. Some of them are kind of clickbaity. Then we have videos from Streamlabs themselves. and also from Stream Elements themselves. Same goes for Autumn. Autumn also does tutorials themselves. And lastly, we have JV33. And she does short videos. So not her normal videos, but her shorts. And she's got some very humorous, well, TikToks, but they're shorts, right? Shorts about streaming. These are 25 YouTube channels that will help you grow your Twitch stream. I'll leave them all down below. I want you to know if I forgot somebody, because I'm definitely gonna forget somebody, and I'm sorry if I forgot you. I'm seriously sorry. But who's your favorite from this list? Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you guys liked this video, and please do not leave me. It would be so awkward if you guys all left to watch somebody else because of this video. And you know what? I've got a good video to queue up for, because I have a video about channel point IDs. Here are 20 channel points IDs for your Twitch channel. I hope to see you in that video.